Hi everybody, it's Laura with Jot and Tittle Typewriters. Today I have a 1948 Smith Corona Sterling for you. This is a very attractive. It's got the speed lines here and along the sides. It's not perfect, but it's a good typewriter. So let's take a look at it. One of the things I will say is the bell does not work on it, and you'll notice the keys aren't exactly even and a little crooked, and that's usually not a really big deal. It types very well, it looks really nice, but I'll be upfront, this is a B typewriter, not an A+ typewriter. It's still gonna be excellent for those of you who wanna do writing projects. But this is also going to be not as expensive as one that's in stellar condition. So if you love these body styles from the 40s of Smith Corona, grab this one because it still works really well, and it's going to be at a little bit better price than one that's in pristine condition. So let's take a look. First of all, let's fold this back plate over and you're gonna see your margins, and you just press and drag, okay? And then you fold that back up. I'm gonna lift it up, and here you're gonna see the tabs. There's one tab stop on this one. The tab bar is a metal bar with grooves in it, and you just take this out, and then you just put it wherever you would like it to go. So let's put it right here. And don't drop it. All right, so it goes right here. We try that again. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. This is the carriage. Your carriage release is behind the roller handle on either side, and it doesn't matter which side, you just pull it in and it releases. And you can hear this dunk, dunk. That's what the bell's supposed to be, but it's not working on this typewriter, so just so you know that. On the right side is the paper release, all right? And then on the left side is the line selector for when you hit the return handle to advance either 1 or 2 lines, okay? I'm gonna move the carriage to the left. We're gonna open the top, and inside you're gonna see a metal spool. I don't know if these are actually the originals or not. They could be, but these are metal spools, which means you get twice as much ribbon on them because we roll them as full as we can. So you're gonna get double the ribbon on this one. So yay for you. We put in a 2 color, so when you do replace it, black on top, red on bottom, you just pull them out and pop them back down. Voila. Oops, now I got it twisted. There we go. And then make sure it's threaded properly through the guide wires, and that you'll see if you go to the product listing, which is in the link below, there's an up-close image of this, and so you can bookmark that for your reference. This is like your touch control. It determines how hard these type bars are gonna strike your paper. And then if you're looking for your serial number, it's gonna be right here on the right side, stamped on the frame. Let's go ahead and close this and do some typing. Okay, so your paper goes right there, turn the handle. Now there's no bar as most typewriters have, and so instead they have these metal sliding metal arms, and so I'm going to bring them in a little bit, and you can see my paper's crooked, and it's a little bit further that way than I prefer, so I'm going to release the paper, and it doesn't release very well, but there we go, and then re-engage. And you can bring this paper guide over too if you want. All right, so let's go ahead and type. No number 1, you use the lowercase l. This is a 1948 Smith Corona Sterling. Now it has the feel of a silent because it has that muffled feel and sound to it when I'm typing, but it is not a silent, it is a sterling. Okay, let's keep going. I'm gonna try, yep. I was just seeing if that tab worked because I suspected it went beyond, and it did. But sorry to confuse you. The tab works. Okay, let's keep typing. The bounce back on this is really good. So in terms of keystroke, this is really excellent. It's in great condition. Okay, so I'm at the margin that didn't go off, so I'm gonna hit the bell didn't go off. It's just stopped on me. So I hit margin release. And oh, okay, that's why it didn't work. So this, and these older ones, it sometimes does that. It will not stay. So I gotta move it out. I guess I had it closer. I had it within the margins instead of outside of the margins. That was my error. All right, let's keep going. Okay, you guys, this types really, really well. There's a little bit of squeaky sound I hear, and then the bell doesn't work. But other than that, and then I told you like the keys aren't exactly even, and one of them's turned. So these are really, really minor issues. Overall, the performance of it, the typing of it is fantastic. I loved it. It felt really good. And even with my small hands, it was really comfortable. So I hope this helped you. Somebody grab this because these are wonderful machines. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.